Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. A couple of months ago, I posted a video that Google was testing a new password manager in Chrome Canary, which is a preview version of the browser, which has its own dedicated page and a new user interface, as opposed to how the password manager is in the stable version of Google Chrome currently, where the password manager is just a subsection in the actual settings of the stable version of Google Chrome. So just to do a quick recap, in Google Chrome Canary, if we head to the menu settings and we navigate to autofill and we click on password manager, as I did mention in that previous video, which I'll leave a link to in the description, the password manager opens up now in its own dedicated page, which has a new user interface. So you have your passwords, your checkup, which checks your passwords, obviously, and your settings for the actual passwords and your password manager. Now, another feature that Google is testing regarding the password manager in Chrome Canary version 114, which is the latest preview version of the browser, is being able to create a shortcut to the password manager in the desktop version of Google Chrome, which currently is not an option available in the stable version. So you won't find this as yet in the stable version, but it will most probably roll out in the stable version of Chrome version 114. So just to demonstrate, in Chrome Canary version 114, to create a shortcut to the password manager, which by the way might be a useful and handy option if you are using the password manager on a regular basis. And just a side note, another way you can access the password manager, in case you're unaware, is just to head to your profile, click on passwords, and this will take you directly to the password manager. And to create that shortcut in Chrome Canary 114, we head back to the menu, head to more tools and click on create shortcuts, and there we go. You just click on create, and now if we head back to our desktop, there we have a shortcut to our Google Chrome password manager. And if I click on that, it takes me directly to the password manager. And something else just to take note of, if I just quickly delete this and we head back and create another shortcut, you can actually create a PWA of the password manager, over and above just creating a shortcut that takes you to the page in the actual browser. So a PWA, as many of you would know, is a progressive web app. So the password manager will behave more or less like a native app on your system. So we're creating a web app. So to do this, we head back and we create a shortcut again, but this time we're going to click on Open as Window. Click on Create, and there we go. The password manager is now a PWA, a progressive web app, and behaves very similar to a native web app on your system. And something else to take note of, if we right-click on that desktop shortcut, we can actually pin that to start. And if we go to show more options in Windows 11 and also in Windows 10, which will be part of the main context menu, you can pin that to taskbar. So if I just delete that desktop shortcut, I can now have the password manager pinned directly to my taskbar, which will act and behave very similar to any native app installed on my system, which, as mentioned, will be a nice, useful option when it does roll out to the stable version of Google Chrome. And if you would like to get some more options regarding the password manager, we just head back to the apps, which takes us over to the actual apps page in Chrome. And in Chrome Canary, if we right click on the actual password manager, here we have some other options. You can launch that at startup. You can create another shortcut. You can go to the app settings, and also you can uninstall that. So if it's no longer required, you just click on uninstall and you can remove that and it's gone. So that's just a quick way to show you how you can create a shortcut to Google's password manager in Google Chrome Canary on desktop, soon to be rolling out to Chrome Stable in an up-and-coming release. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.